Unboxing the phrase, mint in box, a guide to collector's lingo. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore an interesting phrase that you might come across in the world of collectors and online shopping, mint in box. Let's dive into what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in conversation. Mint in box is a term widely used among collectors and sellers, particularly in the realms of toys, collectibles, and electronics. When an item is described as mint in box, it means that the item is in pristine condition and still contained in its original packaging, just as it was when first sold. The word mint here is key, suggesting something is as fresh and perfect as a newly minted coin. Why is mint in box so important in collectibles? This phrase signifies more than just the physical state of the item. It speaks to its value and collectibility. Collectors often seek items in the best possible condition. An item that is mint in box is usually more valuable than the same item that has been removed from its packaging or shows signs of wear. While mint in box is a term rooted in collecting, it has also found its way into everyday language. You might hear it used in a figurative sense to describe anything that is in an untouched or unspoiled state. For example, someone might say a vintage car stored in a garage is mint in box if it's in exceptional condition, even though it's not literally in a box. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, mint in box, and how it can be used in both collector's jargon and everyday speech. Remember, language is not just about words but the stories and contexts behind them. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more interesting English language insights.